Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you P block element. So first I am telling you what is P block element. Look here, P block element. P block elements. Those element in which last electron enter in p subcell of outermost cell are called p block elements. Those elements in which last electron enter in p subcell of outermost cell is called p block element. In periodic table, group 13 to group 18 elements are p block element. Their general electronic configuration is ns2 np1 2 6. In class 11 standard we will study about group 13, group 14, but in 12 standard we will study about group 15 to group 18. Now today I am telling you group 15. So look here, P block element. Topic is group 14. Group 14 you will study about in class 11 standard. Now we are studying about group 15. Other name of group 15 is nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. So funda to learn group 15 is Nepal, Pakistan, Austria, sub Bhikari. Listen, special funda is Nepal, Pakistan, Austria, sub Bhikari. Group 15 or nitrogen family. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 18, 33. 33 plus 18, 51. 51 plus 32, 83. Electronic configuration of nitrogen 7 is 1s2, 2s2. So in group 15 or nitrogen family contain 5 elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These elements are also called nicogens and their compounds are called nicotides. It is come from the Latin word nicumings, which means suffocation. Now I am telling you electronic configuration. First property, important property of nitrogen family of group 15 elements are: first is electronic configuration. So electronic configuration of group 15 element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. After this 15 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. In nitrogen 2s2, 2p3. In phosphorus 3s2, 3p3. In arsenic we get 4s2, 4p3. 4s2, 4p3. So electronic configuration become 1s2 dash dash 4s2, 4p3. In antimony 1s2 dash dash 5s2, 5p3. Similarly in bismuth 1s2 dash dash we get 6s2, 6p3. So look here, ns2 np3. General electronic configuration of nitrogen family of group 15 element is ns2 np3. Okay students, so this is the general electronic configuration of nitrogen family of group 15 element is ns2 np3. Now we will study about atomic and physical properties of nitrogen family or group 15 elements. So atomic or physical property of nitrogen family or group 15 element is, look here, atomic and physical property. Atomic and physical properties. So first property is atomic and ionic radii. First property is atomic and ionic radii. atomic and ionic radii. The atomic and ionic radius of group 15 elements are smaller than group 14 elements. Atomic and ionic radii of group 15 elements. Group 15 elements are smaller than group 14 elements. On moving down the group, atomic and ionic radius increases. On moving down the group, atomic and ionic radii increases, because on moving down the group, number of cells increases. Okay, on moving down the group, atomic and ionic radii increases because number of cells increases. Next point is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy of group 15 elements, ionization enthalpy of group 15 element is larger than group 14 elements due to smaller size, stable configuration, high nuclear charge. Ionization enthalpy of group 15 elements are larger or higher than group 14 elements, because group 15 elements contain smaller size, stable configuration and large effective nuclear charge. Next point is down the group. On moving down the group, on moving down the group, ionization enthalpy of group 15 elements are higher than group 14 elements, because group 15 elements contain stable configuration, high nuclear charge, small size. On moving down the group, ionization enthalpy of group 15 element decreases due to increase in size. Next point is electronegativity. Number 3 is electronegativity. Electronegativity of group 15 elements are higher than group 14 elements. On moving down the group, electronegativity decreases because atomic size increases. After this, next point is number 4. Number 4 is oxidation state. Group 15 elements show -3 to +5 oxidation state. Tendency to show -3 oxidation state decreases down the group. Or dear student, you can also learn tendency to show +5 and -3 oxidation state decreases down the group. Tendency to show +3 oxidation state increases down the group. After this, next is number 5. Number 5 is metallic character. Metallic character. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal, and arsenic, antimony is metalloids, and bismuth is metal. So we can say On moving down the group, metallic character increases. Metallic character, on moving down the group, metallic character increases. Next point is allotropes. Allotropes, except nitrogen and bismuth, all element of group 15 form allotropes. Except nitrogen and bismuth, all element of group 15 form allotropes. For example, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Phosphorus form 3 allotrope: red phosphorus, black phosphorus, and red phosphorus, black phosphorus, white phosphorus. These are the allotropes of phosphorus. Arsenic have gray arsenic, yellow arsenic. Similarly, antimony have gray arsenic, gray antimony, and yellow antimony. After this, next topic is catenation. All the elements of group 15 have self-linking property, that is known as catenation. What is catenation? Self-linking of carbon atom to form straight chain, branch chain. It's called catenation. All the element of this group show catenation property. They form bond with itself. After this, next is chemical property. Chemical properties of group 15 elements are: chemical property number 1, reactivity towards reaction with hydrogen. Group 15 element combine with hydrogen to form EH3 type hydride. EH3 type hydride. Example, nitrogen form NH3, phosphorus form PH3, ASH3, SbH3. So group 15 elements combine with hydrogen to form EH3 type hydride. Next, reaction with oxygen. Group 15 elements combine with oxygen to form E2O3 and E2O5 type oxide. Example, P2O3 and P2O5. Nitrogen form number of oxide: NO, N2O, N2O3, N2O5, NO2. After this, N2O4. So nitrogen form number of oxide. Especially group 15 elements combine with oxygen to form E2O3 and E2O5 type oxide. Next is group reaction with halogen. Number 3, reaction with halogen. Group 15 elements combine with halogen to form EX3 and EX5 type halide. Example, group 15 elements combine with halogen to form EX3 and EX5 type halide. Example, EX3. Example, PCl3, phosphorus form PCl3 and PCl5. Okay, nitrogen form only NCl3 due to small size. After this, reaction with metal. Group 15 elements combine with metal to form their nitride, metal nitride, to form metal nitride. Example, magnesium combined with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. Calcium combined with nitrogen to form calcium nitride. Okay students, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. Like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Thanks for watching.